Anaika, and for today's video I am going to be doing a night routine. So let's just get into it. So the first thing which I do is I listen to some Spotify music, and here are my playlists which I made. And like, I am obsessed with Spotify, and it is an amazing app, and I'm sure you guys should download that app. It's not sponsoring me, but I always listen to the music on there. And while doing that, I brush my hair. So usually after that, I just go on Pinterest on my iPad, and sorry, it's broken, I broke it, and a little bit on the side, and I just go through that. And I am obsessed with scrunchies nowadays, so here is me going and seeing different types of scrunchies, because I decided that after the lockdown I'm gonna buy a lot of them. And yep, I just scroll through Pinterest a lot on my iPad. Sometimes I do it on my phone, but today I thought a larger screen would be good. And here are some outfits I'm looking at, so yep. After that, I switch on my music again, and I go and I do some mandalas, and I just color them in. And here are some really good designs, and today I chose greens, and I am really excited to color it. So I usually color it, and it takes probably 15 to 20 minutes, or sometimes even 30 minutes. It depends on the design. And yup, I had a lot of fun doing that. And I do this because I don't like putting a lot of stress on my eyes, just to get rid of the iPad and all of the devices. How it came out. I really like it. So after that, what I do is I take this little thing which I keep outside my door, and my music is still on, just showing you guys. And I basically write what I usually do on that day, if I want to work out or if I want to put a face mask, and I see whatever videos I've made already. And that takes probably just 5 to 2 minutes. It doesn't really take a long time. And yep, that is it, what I do next with my music on. So usually after that, I like taking the time to myself, and I always reply to my friends, and I see whatever messages I have. I go on Snapchat and I message my friends over there, and I take some pictures. And like me, it's Anaika, so screen time is like a must for me, otherwise like the day won't be the same and I'll be really cranky. So I think everyone does this, and it's really simple. So I like taking some time on my own, on my bed, and yep. So I am sorry if you can't hear me. It's because the gas is on, and I am in the kitchen, and I'm with my mom. My mom is preparing steak for today, so I'm really excited. Mom, say hi. Hi. And so my mommy made some herb rice. I'll show you that later. My mom prepared some barbecue sauce, and she's preparing the stir fry veggies. And my nanny made some what is that called? Potato. What is this called? Mashed potatoes. And I'm gonna be eating the steak after a while because we all are really hungry. So she's preparing it. Thank you, mommy. I love you. I love you. Here is the marinated steak. It looks so good. And this is the stir fry veggies. This is the herb rice. And this is the mashed potatoes. And that sizzle though, it looked so good. My mom was actually putting some milk in the mashed potatoes. I don't know why, but yeah, you have to do that, I guess. I don't know, but yeah. That looks so good. I want to eat it again. That looks really good. That flip. Oh my god. Doesn't that look good? You're so happy. What a good cook you are, Mom. I cannot believe it. Like this to that. That's a good transformation. Honestly, if you say. That's so good. Wow, Mom, come on, you're becoming a chef. It's cooked? Yeah. Yep, this is like a thumbs up. Not even like full. Yeah. Yes. Is it coming? Oh no. That's good. So usually after eating, after a while, I clean the top of that. Even though yesterday my mom cleaned the entire room, I still clean it. This was like the first reaction to how the food tasted of my mom's, and I think that was a really good reaction. She deserved the food which she made. It was amazing, and she took a lot of pictures of it. I'll just insert that. Like, look at that face. It looks so satisfied after making like the entire thing. It looks so satisfied. So she did an amazing job. I knew it. Like that, her face was like so good. This was my reaction to the food. It was amazing, and my mom also tasted the food. My mom also came in and tasted the food, and it was like amazing. We hugged each other. Like, it was the first time my mom made steak, and we all liked it. And I couldn't film a lot because I eat pretty fast, but today is amazing food, so I liked myself time, not too much filming. I am back again. Thank you so much for watching, and like today was like literally the best day, and I've been having a lot of best days in quarantine, like lockdown now. So thanks to my mom, and yep, thanks for watching. Please like it if you liked the video, and if you didn't like it, just dislike it, so I'll know what your taste is and what you really want. And just comment down below whatever you want. You can comment down below your name. You can comment down below if the food looked tasty. You can comment down below if this is kind of similar to your routine. I would love to know what your routine is as well. And you can also comment down below whatever you want. It's your wish. It's your like phone or iPad or any device. So you can comment down below anything. And you can also share this video so other people will know what my life is, and other people can subscribe to my channel as well. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, that is it. Bye bye.